guys over here are gharials. Gharials' scientific name is gharials gangtericus. The gharial lives in fast-flowing rivers where it catches fish to eat, and it leaves the water only to bask in the sun or rest on sandy banks and sandbars. It is one of the most endangered crocodilians due to habitat loss, illegal hunting, and hide trade. A bump called ghara forms on the end of the male's nose once he is at least 10 feet long and is used to attract a female. These guys live in India, Pakistan, Nepal, and Bangladesh.